Yeah, this is the full video. I hope you understand what is on the picture. I open this one to introduce the machines to you people. Yeah, this is called Mill and Select. Yeah, Mill and Select. Yes, okay, let's take the, before we proceed, let's take the measurements, the length. Okay, from here to here is four feet. Yeah, okay, let's take the width. Okay, this is a 1 feet. Okay, now the work of the machine is for palm, to mill palm oil. Yes, while working, as it's grinding, it selects the kernel from the shaft or the fiber. Yeah, so that is the work of the machine. So okay, this is called mill and selector. Mill and selector. Yeah, let me show the full video of it, the full picture of it. Yes, like this place now. Yeah, as you can see, this is the full video. This is the full video of it. Look at it here. Yeah, yeah. So I've seen it. Yeah, this is the full video. I hope you understand what is on the picture. I open this one. Good. Okay, as you can see. Yeah, I hope you understand what is here. Okay, if you watch, you see that it has the inner one. Yeah, that control the fiber and kernel. Yeah, this is where the kernel. Yes, where the kernel is passing out. I hope you can see my finger. Yeah, my hand. Here is where the kernel is passing out. Where this place now is where the palm, the fiber. This place now is where the fiber is passing out. Yes. Yes, where the palm, the fiber is passing out. That's the chaff or fiber. Anyone? Yeah. This is for the belt that connect to the gen, the lister. Yes, or the motor. Yes. Yeah, I hope you are seeing it. So, okay. Thank you.